and welcome to the Phenomenal Phive. Please remember to like, subscribe. Sorry, Brutus, I'm turned around the other way because I got to show you guys some stuff. And Brutus wants to get in on camera. Lay down. Go lay down. Lay down. Yeah, remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, all that good stuff. It will really help my channel out. You're really bouncing out. Get down. Get down. 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 Sorry, that's going to be a problem for this video. Anyway, today I thought I would talk about the different collars and harnesses and stuff that I have purchased for Brutus, just to let you guys kind of give you an idea. Hold on a second. He's playing with it, and that would be the first one, his collar. I purchased this along with his 3 previous collars because he kept growing out of them from a website called loveyourpets.com. I will put a link down in the comments so that if you decide you want to go check them out, you can. Go over there, over there. Along with that collar, I got his leash. This has been the same leash throughout the whole time. They've all been red, yes, because he's a black dog and red looks good on him. Okay, no, go, 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 go. Okay, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Brutus, right here. Okay, he got his little hello in, I guess. Now, one of the harnesses I purchased from them, he woke me up about 2 hours before my normal wake-up time to go out. So I put his harness on him, took him out, all that good stuff. And I thought, well, I'm just going to have to get up in a couple hours and take him out again. I left his harness on him, and he ended up chewing it off of himself. So none of these get left on. Let's go ahead and slide this back onto his head. He doesn't like it, but that's okay. But to kind of show you what it's like, please see this video here, and you'll see what it's like when I walk him, or he walks me. Next, I was told about this type of harness. Big wrap over his head, goes in through here. This wraps around his chest and hooks on. That it's supposed to prevent him from tugging and pulling. I don't remember where I purchased this from. I believe it was on Amazon. None of these are expensive, just so you know. I'm cheap. I buy cheap. So anyway, you can see how this works. And my brother was telling me about a harness that goes over the snout. I'm not going to be sure how this is going to hold up, look like in here. It is kind of neat. It does go on the snout. The leash attaches to this. There's a little hook here that attaches to the collar to prevent them from, if they should get out of this, you still have control of them. It's really, really nicely shaped. This was the largest size they had. Go lay down. Go lay down. but it's a bit too small. It does work, and I'm just thinking now, I don't think I videotaped me using it because he scratches at it constantly to the point that he starts bleeding around his nose and mouth. So I stopped using it. And then I finally decided on another little trick. I don't know what made me think of it all of a sudden, but I did. But I'm going to show it to you here, guys, right now. If he will cooperate. Sit, Brutus. But I just take the leash, put a loop in it, put it around his snout, and then walking from it. And here's a little bit more on how well that works. I hope you guys enjoyed that and found it useful. Just to give you all a little update, if you've seen my last video regarding the spam calls I've been receiving, I'll put a link up here. I forget which side it goes on, to that video, and you can watch it. But yes, they called me again. This time it was a gentleman calling himself Steve Anderson. And as soon as he said Steve Anderson, I went, the Bionic Man? Yes, that's Steve Austin. I know that, but, you know, remember I played the dumb hillbilly in this. And his response was, what, who, what? And like, yeah, you know, Steve Anderson, the Bionic Man. And he said he never watched that movie. Oh, just so y'all know, when he called, I set up the webcam, the microphone real quick, tell him I was getting out of bed. Hold on. And he's like, he'll be patient, take as long as I needed, all that. And wouldn't you know, I forgot to hit the record button, so I don't have it. But it was quite funny. At one point, I almost got him to sing Soft Kitty. He spoke the words, repeating after me, but he didn't know the song. But anyway, if you guys don't know, Soft Kitty is Sheldon Cooper's from the Big Bang Theory's I'm Sick song. You sing it to him when he's sick. But anyway, it was hilarious because he was trying. He was really trying, but he wasn't getting it. Again, he was calling from Jamaica, New York. then he was calling from Jamaica when I mentioned that his phone numbers were from Jamaica. And he kept telling me that it was something to do with an auto randomizing phone number because they want it to look like it's coming from Jamaica, which made no sense. But anyway, he telling me that he was now a U.S. citizen living in Jamaica, New York. I let him know that Jamaica is just a neighborhood within Queens, New York, the borough of Queens. It's not actually a town. And his response was he didn't really know his heritage very well, which, okay. And I says, oh, you love New York. I said, what's the state capital? New York City. So I let him know he was wrong and that it's Syracuse. And if I'm wrong, you guys correct me, but I believe it's Syracuse. I know it's not New York City. But again, he came back with the not knowing his heritage. No, do not chew on your stuff. Oh, he chews on stuff like crazy. But anyway, I kept him on the phone for just over 30 minutes. And finally, he just started insulting me about how dumb I was and how he stole my wife. And I actually told him she was right here listening in and laughing at him. But, and as most of you know, I've never been married. I have no intentions of getting married just because, you know, I'm stubborn and I don't want that. But anyway, so I'll give you a heads up. Hopefully, if they call me back, I can get it on tape because I'm having a lot of fun with this. But remember, if anybody ever calls you and tells you you've won something and then tells you that there's a fee that you have to pay, it's a scam. Most of the time they want you to go and get gift cards. You can't pay by credit card or pay by check. It has to be these gift cards. And the reason for that is once you put that money on that gift card and you send it to them, there is no way you can get it back and it cannot be traced back. So that's why they do that. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, because hopefully by the next video, I am actually tomorrow going to go and look at 3 RVs. So hopefully we can get that on the ball soon. And before anybody says it, I have abandoned the travel trailer and pickup idea. I shouldn't say abandoned. I moved it as a lower priority and I'm now looking at Class A's simply because I have found that I can get a used Class A for less than what it would cost me to buy a used travel trailer and a used truck. And that's been holding me up, trying to figure out how I can finance that, because the monthly payments on the 2 have been way too high. On all 3 of these RVs I'm going to go look at tomorrow, the estimated monthly payment is less than my mortgage on each one of them, so that's good. And then once I get moved into the RV, I can then put the house on the market, and when I sell the house, I can pay it off. So we're going to go with that. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro. I'm still playing around with that stuff a little bit. Give me your thoughts on it. I've got some other plans to work with on it if I can figure out how to do it. No, we just came inside. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, as I've said like 3 or 4 times already, back up, back up, back up. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. All of that helps grow my channel, and it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.